Yes, go then.
So for those who are Catholics, please do the sign of the cross in the name of the Father, Son, and Holy Spirit. Amen. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be your name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our sins, as we forgive those who sin against us. Do not bring us into test, but deliver us from evil. Amen.
So again, good afternoon, students.
Good afternoon.
So before you're going to take your seat, can you please arrange your chairs, pick up some pieces of paper, and keep all the necessary things. Okay. So before going into our new discussion, who among you here can still remember or recall what are our previous lessons that we have tackled?
Ma'am,
Yes, Danilo?
so as I remember, so our last topic or lesson is that about the phonics, ma'am.
So I am asking you, you may not take your seat. So if I'm going to ask you if you learned about phonemes, what are your answer? Yes, Danilo?
It is a sound of keyword, ma'am.
Okay, very good. So to test your knowledge about the phonemes, we're going to present here a letter and you're going to identify what is the sound of this letter. So, can you please identify what is the sound of this letter, Christian? Okay, this is the letter A. And what is the sound of this? Okay, very good. So next, Benedict, what is the sound of this letter? What is this letter? And what is the sound of this letter? Okay, very good. So for the last letter, yes, Danilo?
So for that letter, ma'am, that sound is
Okay, very good. So I guess that you already learned about the phonemes. We're going to jump onto our next lesson. It is all about sound isolation. So can you please repeat after me? Fun,
Fun,
top,
top,
pad,
pad,
fun,
fun,
top, top,
top,
pop, pop, pad.
fun,
So can you please do it again?
fun,
fine.
fun,
Top.
fun.
So who among you here can identify what is the first sound of this word?
Ma'am.
Okay, yes, Danilo?
So for that letter, ma'am, that the first sound is that
And what is
Fine.
this word?
fun.
Okay. For the second word, yes, Benedict?
Or the sound of the first letter is t, t,
And what is this word?
top,
Okay, very good. For the last word, and what is this word?
hot,
So before we're going to end this discussion, I would like to get this, I would like you to get these words. And I'll give you some couple of minutes to identify what is that word and what is the first sound of that. So are you already done? Are you ready?
yes,
So who can go first? Yes, Benedict.
So the first letter of this is T. The sound of the first letter is T.
What
So-
is that word?
So this word is tip, tip.
Okay, very good. Compliments. For the second one, yes, Christian.
The first letter is P and it sounds as pump. And the word is hot.
Okay, very good. For the last one, yes, Danilo.
So for my word is feet. So the first letter it sounds. So for the word is the fin.
Okay, very good. Clap your hands. So for the review again, fun,
Fun,
top,
Top.
pad. So again, fun, top, and pad.
fun, top, pad.
So I guess that you already know what are the first sound of that word. We're going to have a activity song. So before we're going to jump into our activity song, who among you here can lead a energizer before we're going to, yes, Danilo? I think that you already have those energizers. energizer.
So are you familiar with the song my toes, my knees, my shoulder, my head? Are you familiar with that? First, what's I think what's it? So first thing is that my toes, my knees, my shoulder, my head. Yes. Okay. Ready? So we'll do that. 1, 2, 3, go. My toes, my knees, my shoulder, my head. My toes, my knees, my shoulder, my head. Again, we'll do that times 2. Faster than 1, 2, 3, go. My toes, my knees, my shoulder, my head. My toes, my knees, my shoulder, my head. Again. My toes, my knees, my shoulder, my head. My toes, my knees, my shoulder.
Okay, thank you, Danilo. So before going into our activity song, I would like you to analyze or think about a word and identify what is the first sound of that word and you're going to present in here. So we'll give you some couple of minutes to think and then we're going to present in here.
Pagans, let's start.
We have some pieces of paper here.
I think the word. Guys, the word category animal category. So, can I borrow? I'm done, teacher.
Okay, you're done. Benedict. So who comes first? Okay, go.
So the word that I created is goat. So the first sound of the goat is g, g, goat.
Okay, very good. Okay, yes, Miss Sean.
The word that I write is dog, and the first letter is D, and the sounds of this is Z, Z, and it can be pronounced as dog.
Okay, very good. Yes, Danilo.
Okay. So the word that I've created is the word cow. So the first letter of this word is C, and it sounds like and it pronounced as cow.
Okay, very good. Thank you for your cooperation with that activity. So now we're going to have our activity song, which is A, B, C, D, E song. So are you familiar with this?
Yes, ma'am.
So we're going to teach you first. It is A is for apple, apple. So okay, is it agree with you?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
can you please join with me singing this song? Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. A is for apple, apple. B is for ball, ball. C is for cat, cat. D is for dog, dog. E is for elephant, elephant. So again, we'll start from the letter A. Again, 1, 2, 3, go. A is for apple, apple. B is for ball, ball. C is for cat, cat. D is for dog, dog. So let's clap our hands for that. So any clarifications about that topic? None? myself that you already know what is sound isolation. And that is the end of our discussion. So goodbye class, goodbye students.
Goodbye,